Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to reset the Instagram Explore page. If your Instagram Explore page is showing content that doesn't interest you, or you just want a fresh start, you can reset it. Resetting the suggested content allows Instagram to show posts, reels, and topics more aligned with your current interests. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Then, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. This menu gives you access to many settings and options. Scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. This section controls what kind of posts Instagram suggests to you. Here, you will see the option Reset Suggested Content. Tap on it. A screen will appear explaining what happens when you reset your suggested content. Read the details carefully, then tap on Next. Before resetting, take a moment to review who you follow and your ad topics. This step is important because Instagram uses your follows and ad preferences to give you better suggestions after the reset. Finally, tap on Reset Suggested Content. Once done, your Explore page will start showing new posts and suggestions based on your updated activity and interests. It may take a few days for the Explore page to fully refresh and show content that truly matches your preferences. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.